Hello everyone, today we have a 2011 BMW X5 xDrive50i. It's a 4.4 liter V8, all-wheel drive. Go ahead and close that up and take you for a tour. It does have gold colored wheels, running boards that run the length of the vehicle. It also has a roof rack on it, a power lift gate. It also has a sunroof. I'll go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. They have a brown leather interior. There's your climate control and power supplies for the rear seat. And your seat controls. Right here's your VIN. Got our lights on. We'll go ahead and turn those off. Okay. Tell me to buckle my seatbelt. Has, let's see, 68,069 miles on it. So we have a tire pressure sensor. We just barely got this vehicle in, so we'll just go ahead and top off the air pressure and we'll be good to go. Let's see, we've got right here our push to talk, climate control. Down here you have your heated steering wheel, your CD control, your stereo. This stereo has AM, FM, satellite, XM, and CD. Here are your climate controls down here. You also have additional power supplies in here. There are your cup holders to see the backup camera. You do is throw it in reverse. There we go. Put it back in park. It's asking us to go close the trunk. So we'll do that. Here's your menu for your radio, navigation, telephone. There's your navigation right there. Okay, so those are your other options and all that kind of fun stuff. You have your park brake. And as I mentioned, you have this got your massive sunroof. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. It was in a collision. Did have some front end damage here, but it turned out to just be cosmetic, and we were able to get it all fixed up. Passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. We do have a number of SUVs here on the lot, so for more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.